Hi, my name is Alex Brighton, and this is my project. I made a template for an application for a utility company to connect a solar system. It's something that we do at work quite often. The concepts that I've used are data validation, manipulating text, specifically concatenating, and then conditional formatting, as well as various dates and text. So this is the template. Yeah, an agent will go through and pull the information from Insightly, which is our CRM. So they'll enter in someone's phone number, their email address, and the various information that they pull. As you can see that the needed fields are all highlighted yellow, which is the conditional formatting. And each field needs a number. They'll go through and continue to put things in, just like I'm doing here. This is the data validation. The schedule rate, we know there's a set number of different rates they can pull off of the utility bill, so we'll select one, and those are housed here. Service ID, another number, the meter number. Something that's important we did here was making sure that this was a text field and not a number field. That way when it pulls, the 0 remains and doesn't get deleted. Continue to put our information in. Fill it out. Again, more data validation with the various panels that we can pick from. And all this information is pulled from different documents that are found within the customer's Drive folder. These are blocked off. This is for the agent to double check to make sure that those things are present on this document that they pull. You can see I continue to fill them out. This is a date field. You can see, pull those in. All of the information has now been pulled down here for us to be able to use. One of the biggest ones, well, this information is then copied and pasted into the application in this specific order. And we'll pull up some of the concat. This is one of our fields that use the concat function. You can see that it's pulling the value from B16 and adding in this text because we know that that's consistent each time. And those, once the agent finishes putting the information into the application, some of these values are hard-coded, as you can tell. They'll pull the application number that they get, and then they'll go and put this information back into the CRM so we can track the information that we have. Thank you.